Making money online is always a dream for many. Most people get into traps, or failed to be inconsistent. Few people get through and make it happen. Yes, of course it takes time to find a money-making platform and stand on it. But here in this video I'm going to share you a method where you can earn some quick bucks easily within a few minutes. So let's go into the video. Hi friends, if you are new to my channel, this channel will bring you good contents of how to make money online working from your comfort and travel the world. If you are interested on this topic, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for more videos twice a week. Earn money watching YouTube videos online. If you already know this topic, you may think that this video is about to sit in a place, watch some irrelevant videos for hours to earn some money. But that's not what I wanted to share with you here. It's way easy than that. It's a passive income method. OKE.io is the website I would like to introduce you today. Yes, it's legit. OKE.io is a completely free tool where you can create short links. Sharing that link, and if anyone click it, you will make some bucks. Cool, isn't it? Yes, it is. The other thing here is the minimum payout is just $5. That is, you can withdraw the money if you have already made $5. And if you are living in a country where the PayPal is not accepted, you can use Skrill for money withdrawal to your bank account. If you want me to make a video on how to withdraw money using Skrill, let me know in the comment section. Okay. Now how this website works. It's easy. Go to a most viewing YouTube video or live streaming video, maybe like a live streaming Among Us video. Take the link of the video. Copy in it here, shorten the link. Boom. Now you can share this link wherever. For every click you will earn passively. Where you can share. It depends on the video you have chosen. You can share it in Facebook groups, or other forum platforms relevant to the video. If you are schooling, needed some money to pay classes, or an adult struggling to make some quick money, this method would help you. Click the like button and let me know in the comment section if you are taking away a valuable stuff from this video. For more videos on how to make money online, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you for watching my video.